How to measure and install an aluminium insect screen door set to a G-James XXO stacker sliding door. As always, when on a check measure, write down the door's location, type, style, and colour of the door frame you are installing. This is mandatory information in our ordering portal system. We're installing this door with an aluminium insect mesh. This material offers excellent ventilation and complies with the BAL-12 bushfire rating. Check our screens option on our website. All screens are available in the ordering portal if you're a Starline Security Dealer. To find the door's ordering sizes, measure the widths from inside of the jamb receiver to the back of the mullion on the fixed glass panel. The opening size is 1,793 millimeters. Then we measure the sliding glass mullion width, which is 24 millimeters. Mark 12 millimeters on the mullion. To find the door manufacturing size, the one with the lock, measure from the same receiver jamb to the center mark of the mullion. Measurement is 931 millimeters. Deduct 5 millimeters for striker plates and interlock for a manufacturing size of 926 millimeters. To find the second screen panel, measure from the back of the fixed glass mullion to the center mark of the sliding mullion. The opening size is 908 millimeters. Deduct 3 millimeters for the interlocks for a manufacturing size of 905 millimeters. Measure from the inside of the top track down to the top of the pip track. The opening size is 2,346 millimeters. Do this at various points along the door, checking for differences. The door is square and the manufactured size is found by deducting 14 millimeters to compensate for the wheels and clearances. Ordering size is 2,332 millimeters. As an insect screen, mid-rails will be added. Measure from the bottom pip to the decals. Deduct 10 millimeters for the bottom wheels before you add the manufactured size in the ordering portal. Before installing the door, check the width of the screen panels first and make sure each panel corresponds with its door position. Install the main door panel, the one with the lock, to the outside track. The secondary door will be on the inside pip track. You can place the bottom wheels on the pip track by lifting the wheels and slide across to find the correct position. Adjust the wheels and the base latch side of the main door panel with the receiver jamb. Once the doors are aligned, measure for the F interlock from the bottom pip to the head channel fin. Deduct 10 millimeters for a manufacturing size of 2,300 millimeters. Cut to size and install the F interlock, installing on the secondary screen door with 5 screws. Make sure it slides freely and the F interlock engages smoothly. With the F interlock installed, slide the secondary door in its closed position. Close the other screen door and mark the edge where both doors meet to measure for the Z Interlock. Measure using the same method as the F interlock. Cut to size and install. Be careful when installing this Z Interlock. There is a small line on this accessory, and this line has to face you to be flush against the frame. Also make sure that the 7 millimeters that sticks out faces the fixed panel, where the F interlock in the sliding screen door will meet. When in position, fix off with screws. Install the F interlock on the main door. Note, to have a professional finish, align the main door secondary door F interlock and mark your screws in the same position. Check out our other video where we'll teach you how to install a base latch in this sliding door. Want to become a Starline Security Dealer? Contact us for more information.